Okay, here's what I've got so far for my ceramic shop homepage. The user would come to the home page here where they can actually come in here and click to begin. They could go into various places that they might want to see. They could click to see what's in their shopping cart. It will show them if they have items in there. And they can click to see a wish list. So maybe they want to purchase some things in the future, and it will store that for them. They can come up here. They have a welcome screen here too that gives them some information of how they could use a search box up here that I put in. So if we come here and we were to click on Shiloh here, it will take them to the next page, would bring up the highlighted area. And once they click, it will take them to the Byron Provincial Molds. And here we'll have pictures in here and item numbers, name descriptions, a price, and they have quantities, and they can add it to their cart, and this will they add to their wish list. So when they add it to the cart, then it'll bring up the picture in here, the item description, the quantity, price. It'll give them a price down here. They decide they don't want this, they can remove it. They could update the quantity and order 2 if they wanted to. By updating quantity, they can continue shopping, which will take them back to the main page or go to a checkout page. That's what I have so far, so continue to work on some more. Thanks.